Welcome. So currently, we all are stuck inside our homes, and it's hard for people to exercise or to work out. And staying physically healthy is one of the most important things right now in this specifically COVID situation. And on top of all of this, you keep procrastinating to get up from the bed and never actually work out. And staying fit and staying healthy should not be this hard. And here comes our solution: GoFit. You can think about GoFit is it's a Subway Surfer but in real life. So let's look at it. You first download the app from the given link and then sign up with your Google account. Moving on, you enter the code given in the app and strap that phone to your upper arm. And if you don't have a strap, then you can also hold it in your left hand with your elbow straight. Now, you open the website in your laptop and stand in front of it and enter the code and press play. That is it, you are ready to go. Now let's look at how the apps actually work. This is the beautiful homepage where you start your journey. You start by pressing the start button. Here are all the instruction which is given and also a unique code. And this unique code is actually the one generated so that you can connect the website to your app. So you take this code and put it onto the website on your laptop and then strap that phone onto your arm or hold it in your left hand. And then you start the game. So this is the website. Here you can see as you can enter the game code in the game code field. Once you have entered the game code, it will say that it's connecting, and once it will connect, it will move on to the game page. This is the game page, right? Game has started and the character is running. So, and you have to physically move to control this character and make a high score. And as you can see on the right hand side, there is the phone screen which is strapped onto your arm, showing the timer of the game. So let's just see how it works. So this is the technology underlying the whole ecosystem of the app and website. So when the app starts, it monitors the internal sensor, which is the accelerometer in your phone. Then the algorithm in the app detects from the reading generated by the accelerometer that what type of movement is happening. If it is a jump or a left turn or a right turn, right? And once this activity of which action is being performed is collected by the app, it is sent onto the Firebase real-time database. And from there, the website picks the actions, and then your actual player on the screen of the website moves. So let's look at the demo. So here is the demo. Character in the game is running. So as you can see, when you actually move, the character in the game actually also moves. So when you jump, the character also jump. When you go side, the character also goes side. And this is how you actually control the character. So let's move on. Perfect. So this is the app. And when you first open the app, these are the onboarding screen which are displayed. So it actually explains and helps you navigate the app and how it works. So firstly, you get the game code and one game code for all devices, and you can go to bit.ly/GoFit and enter the game code. So let's move on. The second page. So you strap the phone and action. So you put the phone, or you can even hold the phone in your left hand with your elbow straight, and then the lastly get set GoFit. So you can start the game with just this. So let's continue. So this is the homepage, and as you can see, staying fit is now fun. Play the game, control your character, and stay fit. So let's start the game. So this is the instructions panel which comes before the starting the game. So here are the 4 instructions. The first instruction is to open the laptop and visit this site so that you can open the game. Second is to enter this code, this given unique code, onto the website so it connects your phone and the website. Third is to hold your phone in the left hand with a straight body and straight elbow. And fourth, start the game and enjoy. So now we have started the game and you're currently playing. So let's move on to the website and see how the game plays. So here is the website with the game on it, and here in the middle is your character which you actually physically control. So let's start the game. So as you can see, your player is running. So now as the obstacle comes, you have to actually jump firstly. So when you jump in the physical this player actually jumps. Now let's take a left turn, let's take a right turn, and then jump, and then a left turn. So as you actually perform the physical actions in the real world, when you jump, the player will jump. When you go left, the player go left, and when you go right, the player also go right. This is how it all works. Now let's look on to the technologies which we have used. So we have used Flutter framework for the Android app which we created, and then the Firebase real-time database to push all the inputs coming from the phone to the database, and then the website fetches those inputs from the database and shows the game onto the screen. And for the website, we have used 3.js, HTML and CSS for the specific whole website. And then for the packages, we have used sensors package in the Android app to monitor the accelerometer. By ending this, you can actually stay fit and healthy while also enjoying the process. You can go onto the website bit.ly/gofit and enjoy this experience. Thank you.